Hey guys, this is Krishna from Vanguard Bear, where we help small businesses secure their website. In this quick video, I'm going to show you one quick fix you can make today to protect your site from hackers, spams, and silent threats without any coding required. Let's jump into it.
So one of the first fix that you can do for your website as far as security is to have HTTPS or SSL, right? So over here, this is an example of a website that I have just as a demo that is using HTTPS, and you also have SSL installed. So the way you know that, usually over here you're gonna have a lock being shown that just lets you know it is secure. But at the same time, if I click on it, it just say over here the connection is secure. So any data that goes from into your website is going to be secure, and hackers or anybody that is listening to that connection is not going to be able to see the data in plain text. It's going to be encrypted, right? An example over here. So this is a website that is not using HTTPS. So you, over here is just plain HTTP. So it's not encrypted. The data that is transmitted over that connection is not encrypted, and what you see is not secure, right? And this actually scare some of the visitors. You turning away clients like this, visitor like this, customers. Some website actually, some browsers actually, even before you land on this, you're gonna see like a warning letting you know that the page you're about to go to is not secure. Do you still wanna go to that? And some people just turn away there. So if I click on over here, not secure, it's letting you know that the connection to this site is not secure, and to not enter anything that is sensitive. So any credit cards, that kind of information should not be entered when the website is not secure. So over here, I just have a quick thing just to let you know a little bit, what encryption actually looks like. So I have an input over here, and out. This is an output. This is when there is no encryption. In this over here, this is a website I'm using. So for a little bit more for cybersecurity, there is a bunch of algorithm over here that we can use, but we're just gonna go with this one, and you can see that already the output over here looks different, right? And if I go to base 64, even with the X over here, you're gonna see that the output is different. And we can enter a key phrase or passphrase over here, and it does change as the passphrase is changing. So it's very hard for a hacker to be able to know what actually this means over here if he doesn't know, if he has no knowledge of the encryption, the algorithm that has been used, and also the key phrase over here, right? So those go in tandems, but nowadays the websites they use very secure algorithm. This one over here, the RC4, is something that is very old. It's not secure anymore. But I just wanted to demonstrate what encryption actually looks like. So the data is not in plain text. One thing that you can do is go to this website over here, sslabs.com, and just enter your domain name, right? So your website, enter it here, press submit, and what you're gonna have is gonna be this report over here. So this is just my website over here, Vanguard Bear, and it's gonna show you different servers. So those are just the IP address that are serving your website, right? And from the server, it's gonna let you know what is the grade of the SSL connection. If you have SSL, if the connection is encrypted, and what you want to see is something like 8+. So when I open this over here, it just lets what is the strength of the certificate, the strength of the cipher over here, and if overall your connection is properly encrypted. So this is what you want to see. So the thing that you want to do as far as implementing SSL, this is something that we help with, but I would say just reach out to the registrar where you have both your domain or where your domain is actually hosted, and start there, right? But if you feel like it's a little bit too complicated, this is something that we help with. Information as far how we can help is going to be in the description, and just reach out from there. So this is the number one fix that you need to do as far as security for your website, for small and medium businesses. So when clients come on your website, they feel very secure about what they see.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share with some friends. If you're a small business owner looking for peace of mind, head over to vanguardbear.com for a free website security audit and learn more about our services. And I will catch you in the next video.